Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we got a video about a 88 Toyota mini truck. We are installing some 15 by 10 wheels and two 65/50/15 tires. So if you ever wonder what a 15 by 10 wheel with a -38 offset will look in a mini truck, this is the video to watch. All right guys, so this is the 88 Toyota pickup truck we have here, and it has this sad steel wheels with this tires. I think these are 14s. Yep, they are 205/75/14, which is the original tire that comes, or the original size wheel and tire combination that comes on the car. That came in 88, but we're gonna be throwing these bad boys that we have right here. That's it right there, and here are the full specs. We got 15 by 10, and then 5 by 114.3 is the bolt pattern, -38 is the offset, and center bore is 83.8 polish, and that's pretty much it. And these are the tires. I'm not really familiar with this brand, but these were one of the only ones that I can find in this specific size, because we didn't want to run small tires and stretch them out too much. We actually wanted the tire to cover the wheel, to be the correct size tire for the wheel. So let's unbox these bad boys and install it, and then put them on the car and see how it looks. Can you unwrap that? Yeah, the other side should have the white letters. Oh yeah, that's gonna look really, really good. No need for tire stickers. So Galaxy R1 Radial GTs. And look at that. Oh yeah. You guys think that's big enough? I think that the one on there is about half of this. So should be nice. Let's get the wheel out. Oh yeah, those look nice. They're not super fancy wheels or super expensive, but why? Why do you need anything like that? They're nice. Pull it out. Woo! Oh yeah. Look at that. Yep, that's nice. the only one we're gonna put together for now, and we'll come back when we have all 4 already assembled, and we're gonna put them on the car. All right, so we got the tires all mounted and installed on the car, and here's how they look. The car is a little too low, so we're gonna have to raise it up a little bit, because as you guys can see, it's barely not touching or touching. And we got some tuner lug nuts on there. These are the steel ones, not the aluminum ones. I don't recommend the aluminum ones to anybody. Steels are a little bit more, but they're better. But there's the finished product, and I think it looks super nice. Good thing about Michigan is we don't have a law where it says your tire cannot stick out or anything like that. I know a lot of the states out there have something like that, but here it's no problem. Alright, so with that shot, we're gonna finish this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. Peace.